boys, I have been waiting for this day for a long time.
Before I even picked up my C6 Corvette, I knew what exhaust system I wanted to run on it because I've been researching a ton online. And guys, look at what just showed up in the mail today.
Oh yeah, we got a brand new exhaust system from Cooks themselves. And the best part is this product isn't even out yet. They just released the pre-orders and they sent your boy this brand new exhaust to try out on the Corvette. Now before we unbox the new exhaust system, let's go get the Corvette. I always heard people saying that the C6 Corvette has an issue where the battery is constantly drawing power and dies if it sits for more than like a week. And I thought it was a myth until I got a Corvette myself. And guys, it's not a myth. This thing has died on me so many times. Oh, and by the way, it snowed here in Seattle. So I left my cars parked outside just in case I want to drive them in the snow. And the Corvette is right over there. Not too far away. But let's see if this thing is actually dead. Oh, that's a good sign. Now, will it start? Oh yeah, she's dead. Just as I expected. Thankfully, I have this handy dandy jump starter. I really gotta start hooking this thing up to a trickle charger. Oh, what the hell? Come on. There we go. It almost didn't start up. Oh yeah, I'm so glad we're gonna make this thing way louder today. Cause this right here, nowhere near loud enough. To all my Corvette guys, if it says service charging system, does that just mean my battery is low? Or does that mean there's actually something wrong? Like my battery's bad or my alternator's bad? Let me know in the comments. This thing is looking pretty freaking good though. We got new wrap on it, new wheels, new headlights, new taillights, full tint. This thing is gonna be an absolute monster by the time I'm done with it. Oh yeah, look how good that front end looks. Now I know you guys are probably thinking, Derek, how did someone like you, a JDM car enthusiast, get to work with a company like Cooks, which is primarily American cars based? Well, this all started before I bought the C6 Corvette. I did a ton of research looking up what kind of headers to buy, what kind of exhaust system to run, and it seems like the go-to products for American cars is Cooks headers. From anywhere from headers to exhaust system to X-pipes, everything. Everybody was telling me Cooks was the way to go. And so when I went to SEMA this year, I saw that Cooks had a booth at SEMA. So of course your boy had to go over to the Cooks booth and introduce himself. So that's what I did. I walked over there as someone who has never owned an American car till now, introduced myself, told them who I was, what I do, and asked them if they would be interested in a partnership. And fast forward a few weeks after SEMA, Cooks is officially a partner for the channel. So they sent over this crazy exhaust system that they are releasing this month that is available for pre-order already. So that means your boy got a product before it even got released. So huge shout out to Cooks, and not to mention they're gonna hook you guys up as well. They gave me a special discount code Derek10 to use on the website. So if you guys are interested in any exhaust components for your American cars, Corvettes, Mustangs, go on their website, use code Derek10 for an extra discount. Dude, this is so sick. Oh, and by the way, it's valved as well. Ooh, should I take off this bubble wrap and see what the tips look like? I'm tempted. I'm so tempted right now. Fuck it, let's do it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Chat, check this out, check this out. Oh, it's dry carbon, dude. This is fire. Oh my god, we got dry carbon with some stainless steel action going on. And then of course we got the Cooks logo on the bottom, dude. This is gonna look so sick. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. So here's a look at the full exhaust system. Now this is basically an axle back because this doesn't replace the X-pipe at all. This actually connects to the stock X-pipe, and what it comes with are two shotgun style mufflers that has a valve in both of them. And so when the valves are off, the exhaust goes straight through here, which is basically a straight pipe. And when the valves are on, it flows through this way, which has a muffler on each side. So that way, when I start up my car early in the morning or late at night, I won't have to piss off the neighbors, which is nice. All right, before I slap on the exhaust, let's take this thing out for a drive and go somewhere where I can film some revving clips for you guys and show you guys a comparison between this one and the new Cooks one. Plus, it's always a fun time driving the Corvette. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. The LS7 sounds amazing, but from factory, I think it's way too tamed. It's a beast that needs to be woken up. Like, listen to this. Downshift, downshift, downshift. This
too quiet, man. This beast needs to be woken up like ASAP. It makes way too much power, and this is a 7-liter V8. It should not sound this quiet. So hopefully the new Cooks exhaust will fix that problem for us. Alright boys, we're back at home. I got the Corvette up in the air. This should be a pretty install because all we have to do is take off the stock hangers right there and then loosen that clamp right there, and then this whole section and the muffler should just slide right out.
How the fuck did they get it in? Breathing. Wait, breathing.
Let's go. Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh.
Wait, push your side up. There we go.
Hey!
We're going. We're going.
Okay, time for the next one.
Oh, there we go. I told you, take it out. Let's go. My finger. Holy shit.
Are you good, bro?
Yeah, I told you, bro. I just had a finger a little bit.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Dude, that was the worst experience I've had with any exhaust.
Holy shit. Trying to fill the gaps, and I was like, all right, maybe if I just like fucking push it hella far in it, and you guys start fucking pulling.
We had to get it out. It had to come out right now.
It worked though. Hey, good shit, bro.
Good shit, bro.
That was tragic.
Holy shit. I don't know how he's gonna get that one in.
I know. Now you gotta worry about getting that in.
Dude, let me just show you guys something. This is how you know they engineered this thing way better. It took us freaking like an hour to get this thing out because this is all one piece. You see all those squigglies? It had to go up and over the diff right there. So with Cooks, they made it 2 different pieces. So we can just get this end in first, and then we put this in. I don't want to do this no more.
It's solid now?
It's hard now.
Oh, look at that. Alright boys, I think we just wrapped up the install. I'm sorry, this was my first American car and it might be my last. That was absolute hell to take off, but way easier to install. Now the real question is, should I go ahead and send it and give this thing a cold start? Even though it's like what? It's 11:30 p.m. right now. And we live in an HOA neighborhood.
It's not 12.
And not 12.
It's not 12.
Just briefing?
Just briefly.
Just briefing? Bucket full send?
Just a little like.
Okay, wait, I'm down. Bro, it sounds crazy.
It sounds nice.
It's not nice.
It sounds nice.
Dude, this by far is like the nicest exhaust tone I have. It's like super deep. It's not raspy at all. Fuck, I want to rev it so bad. All right, you know what? We'll rev it tomorrow. We'll let the neighbors get a good night of sleep, and then we'll take this thing out for a drive tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. I couldn't sleep last night because I was way too eager to drive this thing. It's finally time to take this thing out for a spin and show you guys what the new exhaust sounds like. All right, here we go, boys. Oh my God. This sounds so freaking good. Dude, I can feel this like in my chest right now. And the best part is this is valved, so I can make it quiet whenever I want to, but we don't want that. We want to hear this thing opened up all the way. It definitely sounds like a Corvette now.
go pick up my homie JJ and take him out for a few rips. Oh man, my neighbors are not gonna like this. Dude, I can hear the exhaust driving my neighborhood. This sounds so good. Cooks, you killed it with this one. You overdid yourself with this exhaust right here. Let's see if we can get him to come outside without telling him to come outside, if you guys know what I mean. I haven't texted him yet, and it's 12:54. Let's see how long it takes him to come out. He just texted. He said, I hear you. Mission accomplished, baby. How'd you know I was here?
I heard your loud ass. God damn. Oh, no. She's not happy.
I do not like that look she gave us. Oh my god. It sounds so good. That was 40 to 100.
For real?
Yeah. Dude, this car is insane. Okay, I'm gonna let JJ do the honors for revving it because I'm trying to hear this thing on the outside. Have fun, bro. I'm jealous.
I will.
Yeah, go ahead. Let her sing. Oh my god. Fuck. Dude, this thing sounds fucking crazy. How many RPMs was that last one?
6 low-key.
That sounded good. That sounded good. No cap. Next up, we got to do some flybys for you guys. But first, let me rev the car. You hear the bald eagles, bro? I hear the bald eagles.
Hella nice, bro.
Hop in, hop in.
Oh, shit.
That was actually the first time I slid the Corvette. It felt so good. I just dropped off JJ. Dude, this car is an absolute blast to drive. I'm so scared that I'm gonna get complaints from the HOA neighborhood now because all my cars are pretty loud, but the thing is they're all valved, including this one. But the valves aren't connected on this car yet because the stock vacuum lines aren't long enough for me to hook up to the exhaust valves. So we're gonna have to do something to extend the lines and then I'll be able to use the valves. That way when I start up the car, my neighbors won't be pissed. Cause right now this thing is at a solid 8 out of 10 in terms of loudness. This is definitely louder than all of my cars. And the only thing it has is the axle back, which is insane. You guys know what this means? We gotta get headers next. We gotta make this thing as loud as possible. And I'm gonna do heads and cams. The goal is to make this thing push around 600, 650 wheel. I think at that point, I'll be super satisfied with it. And then maybe in the future, we'll toss on a blower and see what she feels like supercharged. If you guys want to pick up a Cook's exhaust system or headers or anything that they have, use the code Derek10. It'll save you some money on your purchase. Cook's makes the best exhaust components for American cars, so definitely go check them out. I gotta wash this thing soon. This is caked in all the snow and the debris from the past few weeks. All right, boys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. If you guys enjoyed it, go down below, hit the like button, and hit subscribe to stay up to date with all the videos. And let me know what you guys think about the Corvette build so far. When we first got it, this car was completely stock, and now it has a new wrap, new wheels. We lowered this thing, new exhaust, new taillights, new headlights, new side markers. It's going pretty well if you ask me. All right, guys, until next time, peace out.